Right, let's do this. Round one, part of the trilogy. As you can see, there's about £12 in play. Let's see what we win. Start off with the orange £2 cards, different stores, diamond, yeah. First win. Now we need a fingers. Diamond 4, just a £2. Let's try one of the neons. Nine, yay! No X2, no nines. Yes, fingers. Nice, £2. Nice. When you buy neons separately, they do win, don't they? I just don't understand that, because so many does come out of it, and how the hell do I pull out winners from a random store? It's just unbelievable. Anyway, happy days, £4. Very good start. We need a forever diamond. No. $13. For back-to-back winners, but anyway. We need a £10 from a yellow card. We've got a free. 2, 5, 2, 4. No. Finger. Yeah, blue finger. What's going on? Pretty much is a back-to-back win. Blue fingers. Don't know what the amount will be lit. It's a blue finger. Fingers? No. Come on, more than £2. Ay. Okay, still a good win. Still a good win. I can't complain. £4. Back-to-back winners, man, on this small mini session. Another neon. Let it be a winner, please. 13, 18, 19, 6, no. 9, yes, it is a winner. It's a back-to-back winner. Yes, sir. Right. Winning number is number 9. Number 7. No more, sir. Straight finger, please. Yes, there is a finger there. Back-to-back. £2. £2. I will take it any day, sir. Yes, sir, I will take it any day. Winner, winner, chicken, chicken. Very nice. Last card. We need a forever and ever and ever a diamond. And it's not happening. The green card has let me down. Forever 17? Nope. Green card is very disappointing at the moment. Okay. So we've spent £12, and what did we get back? In this session, definitely 100% on profit, and we will continue part 2 of mini sessions in a trilogy. So we got back £4, £8, £12, £14. So I'm basically up by £2. Very nice. Just make sure, hold on. Here's £4 there. Blue Fingers £8. Yeah, £14. Happy days. See you guys in round 2. Peace. Round 2, guys. I only bought one card when I was at work. The very disappointing stuff was that I ripped it up. Then I checked it, double checked it. I had the crown on this card. I never done this card before. The lucky lines. Let me show you. Very shocking. Wait, let me remove it. Let's zoom out a bit. Alright. I should be able to claim it still. Not a big deal. You can check for yourself, okay? I bought it when I was on break, and I was just being careless. I mean, that's why I don't do these cards, you know. You can check, like, look. You can check. Okay, 7 is there. Gold bars are there. I mean, silver bars. The coins, yeah, the stack is there, and the crown is there. I didn't scratch that crown off here. I left it and I just missed it out. Then I realised I never scratched it off. And then I scratched it off and I see the crown is there. Yeah, it's there, but I don't need to scratch it. I'm not winning there. Now, there is no rainbow. There is no cloud. There were so many ways of winning, but yeah. Let's reveal the price, okay? What it is. Only £3 spent in this session, round 2. Let's use a penny. What is the price? It was just a £3 back. Okay. See if I can claim it. £3 in play, £3 back. And the other others are not winners there. There is no rainbow there. Okay, no problem. Have a lovely day. Bye. Let's buy scratch cards. Round 3, quick £14 in play. Let's see what we get back. Let's start off with the £100 dump loaded. £6 and 30, not there. No, nothing there. 2, yep, nothing there. Nothing there. Hold on, let's try this. Fingers for £5. Yeah, but there's no 7s there. No, it's just a £5. It's a winner. Okay. Diamonds. Nope. £10. Fingers. £2, £2, £5, no, no win there. Seven, yeah, £5. Nice. 200. Very nice start. So 20, so that's, yeah, 3 sevens, fiver. Nice. Pound cards are doing good, huh? So zoom in a bit with these £1. Don't see these ones. Classic cards. 100,000, £4, 100,000, 5,000, £1, £5. Nothing there. No. £4, £10, £10. Yeah, £4. Nice. 3 fours, 2 50s, multiplier. Wow. Wow. It's a £20 card there. Times 5. Look, 4, 4, 8. I can't believe it. Shocking. Absolutely shocking. From a pound card, winning that. My goodness me. I'm shocked. That's a good pick. Let's try Snow Me the Money. Classic card. Got 5, 40, 50, 40. No. So it's just 100, 140. Nothing there, guys. Last 2 cards. 30, 60, £5. 30, 60, 2 30s, 2 60s. 100, no, nothing. Last card. Classic card, huh? £2, please. Yeah. 2. That's nice. Triple free. 1 time. It'll do. I'm happy with that. Wow, I'm on profit. Definitely, mate. Definitely. Let's see how much we made. So we made, let's zoom up a bit, £20 there, 3 fours there, 20 quid. Then you got a fiver on the fingers, that's 25 quid, fiver here, 30 quid, and £2 there, £32, amazing. From £14 play, £32. Okay, let's do the 3 videos profit. Okay, let me just calculate it. Alright, the first video was £12 in play. I won £14, that's £2 profit. Second video was just a £3 in play, won £3 back on the lucky line cards where I torn it up. And this video was £14 in play, I won £32. Okay, 14, 32, 14, 15, 15, 16, 14, £14 in play, I won £32. Okay, so I'm up by £18 profit. And so yeah, altogether the 3 videos, what did I play? So 12, 15, 20, 29 pounds in play, and yeah, I'm up by 20 pounds profit in the free videos. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe, share, guys. See you guys next time. Peace out.